Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Revived Code. Today I am going to show you how to automatically generate a blog post in Google Docs using Google's Generative AI API. Go to ai.google.dev. Here you need to sign up for an account. After signing up, log into your account and go to the dashboard. I already logged in, so now I am directly on this page. So next we need to click the Explore Models in an AI Studio button. Once you are inside AI Studio, navigate to the Documentation section. Here you can see all the available APIs here. So this is the model 3.1 Pro Flash, here 3.1, 2.5. So I will use one of these APIs and test is using Postman to check the response before integrating it into our application. And this helps us to understand the request structure, headers, authentication method, and response format clearly. After verifying everything in Postman, we can confidently use the same API inside our Google Apps script. Copy this REST API, go to the Postman. This is the Postman workspace. Go to the collection. Under the collection, import, paste. Here we need a key. Again, we need to go to the API, get API key, create API key, name, name, Google block. Just for demo project, I'm not creating any project. It is a default Gemini project. So create key. There is a free tiering. So this is the key API name, project name. I'm not creating any project name. That is the project number. If we need that, we can check with the quick start or copy key. If we want, we can delete it. So right now we need a API key. So copy here the value, this one, send it. Here is the 200. Okay, so successful. This is our JSON response. So here is the candidates, then content, then parts. Here is the metadata. Let's see. Now we need to create the Google script. This is the official documentation page for Google Apps Script. Now let me explain what exactly is Google Apps Script. Google Apps Script is cloud-based JavaScript platform powered by Google Drive that lets you integrate with and automate tasks across Google product. So that means using simple JavaScript, we can automatically create the Google Docs, read and write data in Google Sheets, send automated emails, connect external APIs, build small internal tools and workflows. Here is the develop high quality solution with this. That is the automation, custom functions, anything you can be check with that later. And what is the best part here? That is the it runs completely in the cloud. We don't need to install anything here. And in our case, we are going to call the Google API and get the generated block content, automatically create the Google document, insert the AI generated content within the document. So instead of manually copy the content, everything will be the automated. Now that you understand that what is the Google App Script is and why we are using it. So let's jump into the code and build the next step. Start scripting. You need to log in with your Gmail account. So I'm just creating here new project. Given name like Google Automated Blog Page or Google API. So here we can see that this is the project name. When you create a new Google Apps Script project, here automatically see a file called code.gs. Let me explain what this is. Whenever we are creating a new file inside the app script and want to write the code, so we use here the extension .gs. .gs means Google script. It is basically a JavaScript but customized to run inside the Google's cloud environment. So technically, we are using .gs extension. Change this. We can create the name like generate block. So first we need to set up that what is the API key, what is the URL like this. So creating with the let API key. So our API key need to be copy. This is our API key. Here we have to paste. Then let we can use the topic, right? which topic should be. I'm just using um, future development of front end development. This is the topic we can be check. Next, our URL, that is the our Google Studio AI. So this one, copy from here, paste it, with we need key plus API key. Okay. Now we need to create a payload. So let payload content. So parts text, which text we can be used with, like write a short topic about SEO friendly blog on plus that topic. So future development of front end development depends. I'm just writing the development. So future development of front end. Yeah, it is good. And this is the text. Okay. Content is in part. Part is closed. Okay. Now generation config 1.0 we can be use maximum output tokens. You can just take around, sorry, 800. So it is closed right now. Payload. Yeah, fine. So now we need to create a options. Options like which method, content type, what is the payload here, like that. So let options methods post content type here. I think now it is good to see content type. Yeah. So content type here, that is the application format will be JSON, and here the payload. So payload here just JSON dot stringify payload mute HTTP exceptions will be true. Yeah. So now we need to create the request and error handling. So we can create try, we can try let response URL fetch app dot fetch. Here must be URL and also options. Okay. Now take results JSON dot parse. Here is the response dot get content text. If results dot error, then logger dot log API fetching error. Task dot error dot code plus message. Something is. So here is the logger.log API fetching error. Then start with that. Hmm. This is the logger log. Okay. If results dot error dot code equal to 404 error, then logger dot log will be like the model name might have changed. Try Gemini, another person. Now here we need to return. So now we have to extract and doc creation. So here is the response, right? Candidates, content. Within this try, that is the if block, that is the if. After if we have to return it. Okay. So my bad. And within that we have to use catch logger dot log. We can use like system error to string we can use like if results dot candidates, right? Candidates and results dot candidates. So start with 0 dot content. So whatever the content will be. let log test will be the results dot candidates candidate content content dot mark dot text. Next, let doc will be document dot create. So which one create that log? As a topic. This topic also we need to add here and okay, close it and now doc dot get body append paragraph log text, yeah, and logger dot log. We can use like success go to the link here. Us doc dot get URL get URL. It will be generate a URL and here is the if now else. If not else then logger dot log, then we can use like unexpected error response error sun dot stringify. So here is the results. What happened here? Payload content. Yeah, that is the content only. Payload methods. Oh, so we don't need that. Okay, now it is save it. I will deploy it later. First check with run. So we need to permission, review permission. What happened? API fetching error, invalid JSON payload, okay. Unknown name content. Save it, run. So now it is the success. So I can just keep, go to next tab, click on it. So see, so this is the latest block is updated. So this is our future development of front end, and it is SEO friendly blog post. So just close it. So I'm writing an write a short topic about the SEO friendly blog. So that is the thing here already updated. Okay, now let's see with the next one. Topic, right? Which topic here? Yeah, we can check with our backend also. Save it, run. It will generate another block. Yeah, next one is updated. Go to this one. Yeah, see our already block is completed here. So finally our code is running successfully. Now whenever we run this function, it automatically calls the Google AI API and generate the block, and after that creates a new Google Documents, insert the block inside it. Okay. So now let me quickly explain the code in a simple way. First, start with created a function called the generate block. Whenever we run this function, the full automation process start. I created the API key, that is the Google AI API key, then topic here. So if I change the topic, the block will be generated on that new topic automatically. Third step is like URL. So this is the model that generates the content for us. We have to create the payload. Okay. So inside it, we send the prompt like this. So write a short topic about the SEO friendly blog with topic, and we define the temperature that is called creatively level. So that is the creativity level, and we define the maximum output token, that is the maximum block length. You can be increase or decrease anything. Then we convert this payload into the JSON format before sending it. Next, here we send a post request to the Gemini API, and this is where the magic happens. The AI process our request and send back a response. Then error handling. So we create the try and catch block, API error checking and 404 error handling, right? So if something breaks, we get proper logs instead of a crash. This is very important in real world project also. And then after getting the response, we extract the results. That is the API key. What is the response here? That is the candidates and candidates content. So this is the generated block test, and then we create a document using this document tab, create block plus topic, and finally we insert the AI generated block inside the document. And then it is a done and fully automated block generate inside our Google Documents. This is the real world automation using Google Apps Script, Gemini AI API, and Google Docs integration. If you found this is helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And also, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, guys. See you in the next video.